Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up shortcut for interaction control function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to set up our shortcut. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, next interaction and dexterity, and here we have our interaction control. So what does it do? We have short explanation here. Block touches for the back, home and recent buttons, the keyboard and a selected area of the screen. So to set up a shortcut, of course we need to go in here and enable this option. We have two default settings for our shortcut button. As you can see, we can select either or option, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye.